Happy Australia Day, we're from OPIE Group. Here innovation meets years of manufacturing tradition. Down under where dreams ignite, we weld them on with precision. Tech and tools precise and tight, making legends there. With lasers bright and bends so right, no corners we cut. Craftsmanship infused with might, our pride is in our gut. We engineer with Aussie pride, our craftsmanship is real. OPIE builds the nation's dreams with precision and advanced tech. Happy Australia Day from OPIE Group. Here innovation meets years of manufacturing tradition. Together we construct a nation with unwavering